I'm busy making a super cool YouTube video.
Oh, okay. So in this video, we are explaining how important sleeves can be. Okay, when you're traveling in under 60-degree weather, these ones happen to be insulated, so they might be too much. But if you have just little thin ones, like I gave your sister, it might be good for when you're traveling at 20 miles an hour. Your arms might get a little chilly, but then you get warmed up and later out in the sun, then you can take them off.
Okay, off we go. The cringiest video ever. Oh, the leaves! No traction! What is this? What is this blasphemy? I gotta record. We gotta get some like candid moments.
Senior year next year, we're gonna have to go up to the cabin like every other weekend.
Senior year.
Yeah, and everyone's gonna get too cold and go inside.
Ain't you cool?
We gotta bring Nolan though.
That's when we were out there.
Did you?
Me too.
When I started sliding down that hill, I was like, oh, it's over.
I went over my handlebars and everything slowed down.
Yeah, I can't be. You went over your handlebars?
Yeah.
And I wasn't even there to record it.
Okay, I don't know how to get to your house from here, so you're gonna have to.
Okay, I'll tell you.
I'll tell you.
Hey, do you care if I go over to Ephraim's for a little while? Okay. Alright. Bye. Alright.
Oh, I don't know.
I can't remember that or my address.
My address is real hard.
We're actually going home yet.
Oh well. And then turn here.
Well, how about you tell me how to get to your house?
I've never been here before.
It was one time. It was 6 months ago. You want a shot of all blue bikes?
All the blue bikes.
Oh, look at that.
As B-roll or whatever you call it.
Hi.
Yeah.
I'm back.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm doing well.
See, he's talking to the camera, not you.
Oh. Yeah, I did.